Good day, Wood-Mizer family. Today I'd like to introduce you to our range of planer blades, which is an addition to our tooling range that we have in stock. Our high quality planer blades consist of an 18% high-speed steel, and they provide for a precise and durable cutting capacity. Our range of planer blades come in sizes from 130 by 30 millimeters all the way up to 1220 by 30 millimeters. Our planer blades can also be custom cut into any size that you require. If you require any further assistance regarding our planer blades, please feel free to contact us anytime.